Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope all of you are fine and doing well. So here the topic that we are going to discuss today, it is the phosphorus and its compounds. So basically when we have a look on the phosphorus, it is belonging to the group 5A elements. And what are its main properties or what is its main distinction? The first one, its atomic number. We have it is 15. The name of that element is phosphorus. The symbol that we can use for this, it is the capital P. Its electronic configuration is given as there. I'm going to write it over there again. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, and 3p3. In which this is its first shell K, this is the second shell L, and this is the last one shell or the valence shell that contain 3 plus 2, 5 electrons. So its valence shell contain 5 electrons. Its atomic weight or the mass number is 30.9 that we can take as 31 gram per mole. Its crystal structure is a body-centered cubic that is B-like structure. And when we have a look its electron dot and cross structure, in the central one we have the phosphorus which is the nucleus. Protons are 15 and neutrons are 15 as well as its electrons are also 15 in which the first shell contain 2 electrons. Then this is the second shell which contain total 8 electrons, and after this the last one shell which contain 5 electrons in it. So that's why it requires 3 more electrons to complete its octet. So this is the simple phosphorus introduction. Here we have the phosphorus. It may be present in the red form. Now what are the main properties like the occurrence of the phosphorus? We have it is found in inorganic phosphate rocks, so all the phosphates that are present in inorganic form, it is having the phosphorus in it. As well as phosphorus itself, it is a non-metal. It is present in all living cells and essential element for the living organisms. So this is the main point for the phosphorus, that it is a part of the living organisms as well. But it never found as a free element in the nature like the nitrogen. As we have talked about the nitrogen, it is 78% present in the atmosphere. But on the other hand, if we talk about the phosphorus, then the phosphorus is not present in the atmosphere in free state in the nature. It is always present in its mineral form, or it is always present in the ore form from which it is used to be extracted for the further purposes. So this is a simple occurrence of the phosphorus we have. And here we have the allotropes of the phosphorus. Basically, when we talk about the allotropes of the phosphorus, phosphorus can exist at least in 3 to 6 different allotropic forms. So we have its 6 different allotropic forms. First of all, you guys must know that what does mean by the allotropes. When an element it exists in more than one state or one physical state, that is known as their allotropes. And in allotrope formation, there is just the arrangement of atoms is different. Now here we have the 3 forms of phosphorus. So the first one is the white phosphorus, that is over the 280 degrees Celsius temperature is converted into the red phosphorus. So that temperature 280 degrees Celsius, it is known as the transition temperature. But on the other hand, when this red phosphorus reacts with the tin iodine source and at high temperature, it converted into the black phosphorus. So here you can see that the structure of the black phosphorus is very complicated like this. As a zigzag manner, the atoms are attached to one another. Now here, this white phosphorus can also be converted into the black phosphorus as 12,000 bar, and this white phosphorus is only the one molecule is attached to it, as this white phosphorus is too much reactive. Now the properties for the white one is It is too much reactive. It is also poisonous. It is highly volatile. And on the other hand, it is waxy in nature, and it is mainly a substance which have its color between yellow to white. It is in between this. This substance is only soluble in carbon tetrachloride. It is soluble in the benzene, but is insoluble in the water. So basically, this white phosphorus exists in the tetraatomic molecule, and it always exists as the P4 molecule. And it is having a tetrahedral structure in which the four corners are present for this. And the temperature at which it boils, it is 280 degrees Celsius temperature. And after this temperature, it is converted into the red phosphorus, which upon dissociated at 700 degrees Celsius temperature into the black phosphorus. Now, this was a simple overview about these allotropes of the phosphorus. Here we have their temperature in which the one phosphorus can be converted into the other allotropic form. The first one is a white allotropic phosphorus, which on reaction with the nitrogen at 300 degrees Celsius temperature converted into the red phosphorus. The temperature ranges almost from 280 to 300 degrees Celsius, and now this red phosphorus at 550 degrees Celsius temperature converted into the violet phosphorus. In between these two reactions, here the white phosphorus at 200 degrees Celsius temperature and the pressure is almost 1.2 pas Pascal, it is converted into the black phosphorus. And now the red phosphorus, it converted into black phosphorus at low temperature and pressure. And the catalyst here we use copper, tin, and tin iodide as a catalyst. So this was a simple allotropes of the phosphorus. If we just have a look on the structure of the phosphorus, it is existing in the P4 molecules. But on the other hand, that red phosphorus, a lot of P4 molecules are joining and they are forming a long chain. And the third one, which is the black phosphorus, it is the most stable under the ordinary conditions. So it is a stable one allotrope, and black phosphorus is just prepared by heating that red phosphorus to high temperature and pressure. So this was overview about the phosphorus and its compounds. I hope you guys understand. And if you have any queries, you may ask me about that in the comment section. The next topic that we will discuss it is the halides of phosphorus in detail. For that time, you guys keep learning and have a good day.